The absolute number one priority in this exercise is ensuring that you keep your knees soft throughout. If the knees lock out, we're going to lock out the low back and we're going to lose that opportunity for rotation. So the aim of the game here is simple. You're trying to bring your head as close to your knees, you're letting your low back round, and then you're reaching as low as you can and across as far the body as you possibly can. On the way up, it's the opposite. We're trying to twist the shoulders as far as we can again and reach up as high as you possibly can with that dumbbell. The aim of the game is to imagine you're getting your hand as far away from the foot and the body as possible.